I could not fathom what their life could be. Their passage in the morning, like a dream in the arc light's unnatural bluish beam. Then back, at night, like drowned men from the sea, up from the mills and river, hurriedly.
Oh, I was born in the ash-gray north in a factory town. When March winds would blow the cold black snow and tossed litter all around. After decades of a dark decline drove its glory to the ground, there was nowhere else to go but down. Factory town. My father worked the graveyard shift with my mother at the mill, but she died when I was only 5 and he was a young man still. The cemetery on the hill had the best view to be found. There was nowhere else to go but down. Factory town. My granddad came from miles away to find a better life, and he fell in love with an Irish girl and she became his wife. But life in that town was short and sour, not what they'd hoped to be. And here I stand before you now, their only legacy. So one June day I said goodbye to that factory town. Left buildings once so grand and strong to be leveled to the ground. Led the murky river and the smokestacks smell. I was free and southward bound. There was nowhere else to go but down. Factory town. For years, if life was less than good, I assigned that town the blame. And if someone asked where I was from, I would not say its name. Some nights I'd wake from dreams and fear that I'd die up there alone. Yet a part of me still held it dear, like it was my one true home. So one rainy morn I headed north to that less than hallowed ground. All the factories had gone and the workers moved on to where new jobs could be found. I pitied the shell that in me raised such hell, and the other way around. And I leaned on a wall, said a prayer for us all. Factory town. I knelt down, then I stood, and I wished only good for that factory town. It gave us its best, and we laid it to rest. This was my factory.